Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're going to take another look at the Carb Heat Shroud. Now, if you've got an AA1 up through a Cheetah, you have one of these on your airplane. The only aircraft that don't are the Cougar and the Tigers. But we want to talk about the little hangers, and you'll see right here, there's a little metal bracket that this hangs on. Up here you can see that it's got a hose attached to it, but what happens is you end up breaking that. We call them joggles. The original ones look like this, are out of stainless steel, and they're fairly thin, and people tend to make them out of thin stainless steel. But a couple of years ago, Ken Blackman and I had these made out of stainless steel, and we put the bend in them so they can bolt up appropriately and still hang the bracket properly without causing a problem. So take a look at yours. Make sure you don't have any vibration. We've talked about the erosion up at the nose, and again, you can send these off to John Shardema. He's got a guy that will rebuild them, and you get back a nice overhauled unit. But just keep in mind that we have these joggles available. Jimmy Candeletti has a few. I have a few at Yankee Aviation, and we have them made by a guy in New Jersey. They're much thicker and they last a lot longer. So we hope you find this useful and informative. Hope this doesn't happen to your airplane, and like to thank you for watching Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.